Welcome to Monday's Financial News Review powered by Centrefix, a multi-regulated Forex broker. Stay tuned as we bring you the latest market news and insights.
Meta stock fell 1.9% last Friday to $682.35, pressured by broader tech weakness and concerns over internal restructuring and rising AI competition. The Nikkei index traded below $38,200 on Monday, marking the third consecutive session of losses for Japanese equities. WTI crude oil futures rose to around $76 per barrel on Monday, hovering at its highest level since January, after the U.S. launched strikes on 3 Iranian nuclear facilities over the weekend. The Japanese yen rose toward 147 per dollar on Monday, after core inflation in Japan accelerated for the third straight month to 3.7%, the highest since January 2023. Bitcoin lost nearly 3% over the weekend to around $100,800, as investor caution grew amid escalating Middle East tensions and energy market volatility. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 7:30 a.m., Germany to release the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers' Index for June, following 48.3 in May. At 8:30 a.m., the Manufacturing Purchasing Managers' Index in the UK is expected to increase, after reaching 46.4 in May. At 2 p.m., the US will release figures for the existing home sales of May, following 4 million in April. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 8 a.m., Germany to release the Business Climate Index for June, following 87.5 in May. At 12:30 p.m., the annual inflation rate in Canada is expected to decrease, after reaching 1.7% in April. At 2 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Consumer Confidence Index of June, following 98 in May.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrefix. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news. We wish you a productive trading week.